If you're not living under a rock, you've heard of AI agents before. Today I'm going to show you can build your very first AI agent that can send emails just by putting in a simple request. So we're here in N8N, and if you haven't heard of N8N before, it's basically like a drag and drop AI agent builder. So the people like you and me who don't have a clue how to code can build these AI agents for themselves. So we're going to start with a chat trigger node, and what that is doing is allowing us to talk to the agent. And then we're going to add the actual AI agent itself, and this is like the body. Then what we're going to do is add a chat model. And the chat model is like the brain of the agent, and that is what's powering the agent, and I am going to use OpenAI for my chat model. And for connecting to an OpenAI account, you create a new credential, and then you go to OpenAI's API, and then you create a key there, and then you paste in your key. And for memory, I'm just going to use simple memory, and this is what stores conversations so that it has context of past conversations we've had. And then now we need to actually give it a tool, and a tool is what gives this agent the ability to do things. Tool is what makes the foundation of all agents, and you can add tons of different tools. It's pretty cool the amount of different ways you could go with it and all that you could build. And then we're creating a new credential, and then you just hit sign in with Google, and you allow Gmail to access all this so it can access your Gmail account. And then we want the tool description to be automatically resources message, and we want to send a message. And then what we're going to do for the to column here is we're going to let the model define the parameter. We're going to do the same thing for subject, same thing for message, and we're going to set the email type to text. All this means is that when we're actually talking to the AI agent, we can use this Gmail tool and it'll fill in this based on our conversation. And in the AI agent, what we're going to do is we're going to add a system message so it knows to use the Gmail tool. We're going to go, you're a helpful email assistant. And we're going to go use the Gmail tool to send emails, sign every email, thanks, Cole. All right, so now it knows that when I ask it to send an email, to use this tool and to sign it, thanks, Cole. So let's test it out. I'm going to go send an email to Cole, and this is just another one of the accounts I have so that I can actually check it. And you can put in any email address here. All right, here's what I'm saying. Send an email to Cole24ox asking him how his day was and if he can make a 3 o'clock meeting today. We'll send that off. It's going to compose the email using the brain, and then it's going to use the Gmail node to send it. All right, we've got it in here. Yep, here we go. Hi, Cole. I hope you're doing well. How was your day? Also, would you be able to make a meeting at 3 o'clock today? Looking forward to your response. Thanks, Cole. Remember, we prompted it to say thanks, Cole, as well, so that's pretty cool. So if you followed through with that walkthrough, you just built your first AI agent, and it's pretty cool the different ways you could go from here. It can get pretty fun.